Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Tam and I make videos about planning. In today's video, it's all about lists that you may want to keep in your planner. And here are my top 10 lists. Routines, goals, packing list, watch list, book list, bucket list, favorite meals, post ideas, holiday destinations, and a gift list. I don't keep my lists in my planner, but that's just a personal preference. You may like having lists in your planner. I prefer mine in my bullet journal. So I'm just going to go through a few of them with you. So I have my destination list of places I want to go to. I really want to go to Harry Potter World. I know that's not what it's called. It's like Warner Brothers Studios or something. I want to go to Denmark. I've already been to New Zealand, but I want to go back. I want to go to Italy, Sweden, Iceland, Norway, Greece. I do probably want to go to other places. Those are just the main ones at the moment. These are not places I'm thinking about going this year. They're just places I want to go. I probably want to go to Spain at some point too. I don't know. But yeah, so I've got a nice little map of the world there, and then places I want to go to. I have a list of films I want to see, and when I've seen the release date, when I've seen them, and a score out of 10. I do have a song list, but that's empty at the moment. Books! I love having a book list. So these are all the books that I've read this year. I have another space for more because I knew I was going to read quite a bit. So that's my book list. And then, yeah, no, that is it. So those are some lists that I keep in my bullet journal. I do have a bucket list, but I've left it in a different journal. I have a list of favorite meals, but I keep that in my food binder down in the kitchen. Post ideas I do keep in my planner, and a gift list I keep in my planner in my money section. I'll just quickly show you what I mean. Money section. So this is a simple gift list that I've got in my planner, and you put the name, the gift that you've seen, the store where you've seen it, and how much it's going to be, and it just makes things a lot easier when it comes to buying gifts for like birthdays and Christmases. So yeah, so those are the lists that I keep, and where I keep them. They are a bit all over the place, but the majority are in my bullet journal. What lists do you keep? Let me know down below. Till next time, keep planning.